Hey ChatGPT, is real estate going to crash in the next year? If you sell real estate, then knowing where the market is going can be key when advising clients and even engaging with prospective customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to get real estate insights and market trends. Hi, my name is Chris Scott. I'm a real estate digital marketer and AI strategist at The Paperless Agent, where we show you how to make AI and real estate technology useful, practical, and profitable. We're going to ask ChatGPT where the market is headed, and let's see what it gives us. I'm just going to scan through here and see what the response that ChatGPT has given us. It says, here's the most up-to-date evidence-based view of whether real estate, specifically U.S. housing, is likely to crash in the next year. So housing market outlook, crash risk, and 2026 forecasts. We can see that it was pulling some information from Realtor.com. It's pulling some information from CBS News and Zillow. The summary is no widespread dramatic U.S. housing market crashes broadly expected in the next 12 months. We can see here now that it pulled together some key points and experts. We're looking at nationwide, looking at mortgage rates, looking at regional variations, and a market reset rather than a crash, as well as underlying risks. And then there's a conclusion. Now, when looking at this, the reality is, and the distinction is, there really is no such thing as a national housing market because all real estate is local. So the question that we really need to ask is this one. Hey, ChatGPT, where's the Austin real estate market headed in the next year? Now we're getting something that we can use. We can see that it thought for a little bit, has a short answer. Austin is already through the pop of its pandemic boom and is in a correction phase, not a fresh bubble about to explode. Over the next 12 months, most data point to a bumpy, buyer-leaning market with flat to mildly lower prices, not a new meteoric high or 2008 style crash. Here's the evidence-based version. And we can see now this is really specific to my particular market, and you would want to put it in for your specific market, but it's giving some really good insights on what this market is likely to do based on evidence that has scoured the internet for to find information and data and statistics and predictions made by other experts so that it can factor that into its response. So we can see a summary of what just happened in Austin, where things stand now, a reasonable base case for the next 12 months, risks that could push it lower, how to think about this if you were buying or selling, and we've got now some good insights into the market trends or the predictions for this particular market in the coming year. Now let's make this even more useful. Can you turn this into a carousel style post for Facebook? Simplify the information into no more than 5 slides. Okay, so now we've got 5 slides that we can use in a carousel style post, whether for Facebook or Instagram. So slide 1, where's the Austin housing market headed in 2026? Slide 2, what already happened. Slide 3, where things stand now. Slide 4, the next 12 months. Slide 5, what to watch. Can you design the graphics that I can use to post this onto Facebook? Okay, it's done a pretty good job of creating a design using my typical colors of green, white, and black to reflect this particular post. I would need to take this image, cut it up into the individual images that would go into a carousel post, but I have the nuts and bolts here. I have the essence of what I need. And that's how you can use ChatGPT and other AI tools to go from idea to concept to research directly to having information and material that you can post on social media. If you found this video useful, helpful, please give it a like. Definitely subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.